Hello guys, just as promised, a mod showcase about so many sorts mod. Okay, too loud, too loud, 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 loud. Oh look, contra prisoners. Good example. Oh look. First of all, so many search mods. Here are the sorts. First up, I'm gonna go on dynamite on the sick. So I don't know how to use this. So it has how many damage? 5 damage. Like a stone sword. It takes 4 hits. Kill that asshole. Yeah. Dynamite on a stick. Usually not a weapon made by a weapon. Yeah. It has 5 damage. Now, we have a glass sword. Some damage. As strong as a diamondic sword. So let's see. I'm gonna spawn this thing to get an example of what. Yeah. I don't like that. I don't like Magcube. No. I hate. Yeah, something. It has a same damage, made of glass. Don't know how to use it. It can be right clickable. Not like this dynamite on stick. Can't be. Let's try and kick that ass. Ooh, both of them. So yeah, some pigments. Attack one of them, attack for both of you. It will also attack you. Wow, this thing's really strong. Next on the list, the flint sword, made of flint, strong as a. It's strong as a iron sword. Not, it can be right clickable, and I don't like that anymore. I'm gonna use zombies. Where the fuck? Okay. Yeah. Oh. It is a little small, just like a dagger. Really small, like a dagger. Next up, the sword of Tyr, made of glass Tyr. Oh man. I'm just gonna set this night. What? Who cares? Well, I'm just gonna. Yeah, I guess you're made of stairs. Same amount and the diamond dick sword too. Next up, the machete. Don't know what this means, but it looks powerful. Hi, it can be right clickable. Next, the strongest, the lightsaber. When you right click, it explodes. What? Boom. And it has 9 damage. We'll be back. Okay, we're good. Next up on this crap, the redstone powered sword. Usually, it is also powered by redstone. I'm gonna try it on a contra prisoner. Oh man. Hey, you have a problem with me? Huh? Yeah, get lost, son. Thoughts not afraid. Yeah, the reason I paused because of power. And the Sword of Ender, don't know what it's made of, check the forums, didn't even count. But it has about what damage, how many damage it does. It's really powerful. One damage more than the ah, dang it, than the diamond sword. Yeah, get lost and get wrecked. Next, experience. Same amount of dead. Don't need demon shovels, just like gold. Gold shovel, but it's a spear. Next, the lapis sword. Made of lapis lazuli. Of course, it's the same amount of a diamond sword. I'm just gonna check it out. Can be right clickable. Yeah, looks awesome. For teaming. Next up, the slimes. Oh, the slimes are the weakest of the weak. Eats the same amount of a wood sword made of slime. It's like just a green sword. Same of the sugar cane, not even gonna show you. And one of my favorites, the obsidian sword, made of obsidian. Hard to get obsidian. Can be right clickable. OP to use. Bam! Wait guys, just pausing it for the bows next time. Woo! Back with the bows. So if you right click it, it's straight and it's powerful. It's the crossbow. It's straight, don't need even to just point it. You need to also to take a bow, but it's much more cooler. See, multi-shots. Then now the the reinforced crossbow, much more powerful, much more long range. And if you hold it, woo, number 8, the blazing crossbow shoots fire. Also right click it, yeah. And again the reinforced blazing crossbow, just more stronger, reliable. And that's don't know how to use it, but at least it's powerful. Goodbye, amigo fireworkies. There they come. Woo! Bye.